Good afternoon. Right now it's about 1:14 p.m. and today is 6th of August 2020. Hope you were all live with us in the morning, and me and Bhavni did some nice trading. And of course it was before the RBI policy, but still we could get some very good trades, right? So we will try to post the same commentary that we had it in the morning to you guys, in case if we possibly could, we will definitely do that. And the trades, early morning trade that I had given was to the live audience was NIT Tech. It get a good movement in the morning itself for almost like, as long as we were live, we were trading into, like, this trade was on. After that it's range bound, so enough money, like our entry was somewhere here at this place. One sorry, 1971 I had given a buy, and it went up till about 2021 20, right? It gave that price time and again almost like 30 plus 27 50 points, 50 points, and with the lot size of 375, which is not bad money at all. Like, if you, this is all part of pro intraday course. So we had another trade there, was ICICI Prudential. That's also in a unidirection, right? What are unidirectional trades? Once they trigger, they will not come back to hit the stop loss. Those are called unidirectional trades. So another trade that I had given was ITC. So ITC has little stopping here. There is some big sell which has been initiated, and that is why it's range bound. It's not really being able to cross it, but the moment it crosses that, then we can definitely see 197, at least one full point can definitely be looked into. But it's finding it a lot of difficulty crossing this level of 196.8. This stock I have given on my channel as well. In case you are not familiar with my channel, this is my channel, StockPro Official. It's got about 260,000 subscribers, and these are the trades. I have just given two trades out here, two or three trades, right? The first trade that I had given was by Alembic Pharma, and there was a intraday trade as well, ITC. So ITC have given a buy above 196. Even you can see it right now also, it is in profit of about 45 paisa, 40 paisa, right? It has made a high of 196.7, and 40 paisa also translates into 1200 rupees or little more than that, right? So even I am holding it. I'm holding this. I'm holding this ICICI Prudential because I trust my trading setup completely. So here are my trades. See here, this is ICICI Prudential, this is ITC. These are my positional trades, so I'm not touching them. But if you want to look at today, these are my profits, right? Because this was my Nifty's, option selling, which I booked about some 1,000 rupees. This was just on experimental basis. I booked 1,000 rupees, and I was expecting some kind of wild movements, and which actually happened. I have exited timely. It has gone up, right? This is what I have sold, but I got exited really at the nice price. So that was good. And Asian Paints I exited just before the RBI policy with 945 rupees profit. So as long as there is profit, maybe small, maybe big, doesn't matter. Profit is always a profit. Green color is always a green color. It doesn't matter big, small. So if this high is broken in ICICI Prudential, I'm expecting another blast. And for ITC, the biggest milestone is the same place where it has got stopped earlier, right? So what I wanted to do quickly is, these all trades are identified in the morning. So before I proceed, I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a PhD in physics from IIT Delhi, and I'm SEBI-registered research analyst, one of the very few women who have done so. And I'm founder and chief mentor at StockPro, partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Fires, and Asta Trade. And these are the contact details for my, if you want to get in touch with my people, my team, you can get in touch with them through any of these. So I'm going to discuss with you people what is pro intraday course? What is it that we do? Month after month, day after day, we give, you know, trades where the stop loss is not hit and the trades are unidirectional. Before I proceed, I want to show you, I have given Astral Poly, right? Astral Poly is the trade that I have given. And look at the blast. I have given a buy here at this place. And look at the vertical blast, right? It's almost 100 points up on my channel only, right? On my channel only. See here, Astral Poly here. I have given it at 11:51, and it's been almost going to be 1.5 hours. 965 is where I gave a buy. And look at the price right now, almost 100 points it has given, full 100 points move right after we have given this buy, right? That's the kind of research we do. That's the kind of confidence we have in our trading, and that's the kind of accuracy we have. Hope you can test it and figure out yourself whether all what I'm saying is correct or not. So the upper circuit is far away, but almost like good 10-11% move after we have given it. So that's the accuracy. So let me quickly run through it. So what is pro intraday course? That's one. Second is identifying unidirectional move in the stocks very early morning, right? And when I filter that out, I don't change my view about stock. I just keep the same view on. If my stop loss is hit, I will be out, and otherwise it's going to give me uh, a straight move up. And that is the reason why I always trade in all my stocks. Whatever stocks I give, I almost trade in all of them, right? You can see from here, Asian Paints, ITC, ICICI Prudential. I am going to trade in all of them, right? Because if one stop loss hits, then the others will give me unidirectional move. So, and what is the StockPro intraday scanner? So simply I'll tell you, Pro Intraday course is basically a unique course. Nobody talks about it, nobody knows about it, nobody trades based on that. This is a course completely designed by me and along with my research team, which have a lot of um, uh, what do you say, professional traders in it, like who are absolutely bang on with their trades. Along with them, we have designed this course. Then what we really do is we have a scanner, because it's very difficult to filter out a stock which is going to give a movement early morning. So what we do here is we filter out using that scanner. That's a charting scanner, and a simple scanner, but the conviction and the logic behind it, something is more important than the scanner is a very simple scanner. And we, by looking at those stocks which are filtered by it, we take our early morning entries, and then those stocks are bound to give unidirectional move in a straight direction up. So why should you do intraday? Because in intraday you get there are a lot of advantages that you get with intraday. One is low margin, no worries about gap up or gap down, big profits. You can find the institutional activities early morning and ride on that, because that's the whole beauty. And institutional will manage the trend. Then this is how professional traders trade, right? A lot of professional traders abroad that I know, they trade based on this particular technique. So a part of it I have learned from some professional traders abroad, and they trade exactly in the same way, but they have very what do you say, smart softwares, whereas we don't have. We just trade with simple scanner, but a lot of human intelligence is involved, and we get absolutely bang on result. So the day before I have given Apollo tires, yesterday I had given Tata Steel, I had given on the same channel, on this channel only had given Tata Steel, and it just went in the straight direction. Look at the Astral Polytech. It's still in the straight line up. It's not coming down at all, right? That's the beauty of our trades. That's how we trade, and that's how we scan our trades, right? So I'm just having a look at it, what's happening to the ICICI Prudential and this ITC. So early morning had given Asian Paints, right? Asian Paints went from, I had given it 1731 till this point, almost like 20 points. It gave a move of 20 points. Now it is looking little under stress, but not massively. It's little under stress. That's fine. That's okay, right? That could be possible because we have made money. We will finish our trading, and we have certain rules for profit booking, and then we will finish our trading. Now here in this, basically the challenges that you face in intraday is basically stock selection. That's the biggest challenge because you don't know where the movement is coming, what kind of movement is coming. Will it be unidirectional? Will it be choppy? Your entry, where should you enter? What should be your stop loss? Where should you be booking profit, right? All these points are very challenging, and that's why all intraday traders falter, and that's why they lose money. One has to have good skills in the live market. Trade execution has to be good. Trailing stop loss has to be maintained. You have to trail your stop loss. You have to shift your stop loss in the profit zone, right? You need a strong strategy, and you have to trust your strategy. Most of the time people do have good strategies, but they don't trust their strategy. But you trust, and that trust only comes with your experience. When you trade for good amount of time, when you do scanning with a lot of time, you do the scanning and analyze the results. That's when you trust your scanner. That's when you trust your strategy. But what people do, like the way there is a simple strategy that I've given on Biocon. You can see it on my channel. I've given a very, very simple strategy. And people have copied that without backtesting, without analyzing the stop loss, without analyzing the targets. And it's a simple strategy, but when I gave it, I did analyze data for at least 5 years. 5 years data was analyzed by me single-handedly without any help of my team, because I don't trust with strategies. I don't trust anybody. So here is the Biocon live trading live strategy. Here is Biocon strategy and live trading here. This strategy works because this is the characteristic of the stock, but people don't want to do hard work on their own, right? If I gave a strategy, they will they will just copy it. I will never trust anybody's strategy until I see actual proof, and until I do 5 years back testing. I'm not going to trade at all, because it's my hard-earned money which is at stake. It takes nothing from the other person, right? So here you have to have a very strong strategy. You have to have paper trading for at least good 1 month or so. And once you develop confidence in your strategy, then only you should trade, right? So I'm going to, in my pro intraday course, I'm going to take care of all these things. How do you select this stock? What should be your stop loss? How do you select the stock? What should be your entry? What should be your stop loss? Profit booking. The skills you have to develop, because I will tell you what is important for your trading style, but then you have to practice. I can teach you, but I cannot make you learn. You have to understand, because your body language speaks everything about the stock market. What happens, the moment I give stock, people jump and buy that trade without even wasting a single second, as if something is going to uh, you know some rocket is just going to leave the earth and kuch ho jayega aise. They should, I have always said that you please keep these are the stocks I have given, keep them on your radar, watch the price action sometime, and once it gives you a breakout decently, then only you should buy. But people don't listen to me at all. I'm just failing here because jumping to the trade without even realizing what kind of price action is happening is the blunder many of the traders do. Trade execution, and how do you trail your stop loss, because nowadays Zerodha doesn't provide you bracket order or the box order or the cover order, and hence you have to trail your stop loss manually. You need a strong strategy, and the strategy that I'm going to teach is rock solid strategy, because I have tested personally And as long as you're trading with me, you can backtest it and find out yourself. So with this, I'm signing off in case you require any support, any help, and I've shown you today's trades, right? I've shown you today's trades. They have been massive, you know, like I've told you about Asian Paints. This was the move Asian Paints gave in the morning. Then I have given ICICI Prudential, that's still going in a unit direction. In spite of choppy market, it's going up and up and up. I have given this stock in the morning, NIT Tech. This was a quick trade, right? Because people who are live with me, people who are having the scanner with them, they can take this trade and mint money, right? But if you're not with me, or if you don't have the scanner, then you will not be able to do so. So still, so far it's going fine, right? Because there is some kind of a, as I told you, this ITC is experiencing a little resistance at this place. So I will just see a 10-20 paisa I will take and I'll exit, right? I'm just waiting for some kind of a breakout to come. If it happens, good. If it doesn't happen, I will just take some money. My brokerage is taken care of. I will exit. So with this, I will be signing off, guys. Looking forward to see you for the training in case you are interested, because nobody does it, and this is an offer we are giving for the first time. No, we will not be giving you any kind of no offer will be given after this on Pro Intraday course, because this is a unique course and we don't want to give it to anybody. This is the course which was costing 1 lakh rupees, 1,17,000. We are giving it for 35,000, but only difference is that we will be, you know, doing live training only for 20 sessions. That's it, right? So take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow in the live trading session, and keep watching my video. And if you like videos, please give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. Bye bye. Take care.